for my mistakes, and I'm trying to make it better. But I'm only human. Some days it's hard to move on, so I keep fighting.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Winston-Salem Police Department. All residents in the city of Winston-Salem are advised to lock all doors and windows immediately. At 8:55 p.m., a large pumpkin creature whose body resembles a four-legged creature was seen roaming the streets of Winston-Salem, brutally murdering anyone that they see in their path. This figure, who has the same appearance from the popular TV show Dandy's World, has been confirmed by police. In addition, the creature has been repeatedly saying before murdering a victim, "Why did you forget about me?" and "What is happening?" It has also been confirmed that this creature can run faster than a human being, making the chances of survival from this creature nearly impossible. If you are caught by this figure, then there is not really anything you can do. All residents in the city of Winston-Salem right now are being advised to remain in their homes until this creature has been fully neutralized. If you are outside, get into the nearest building and hide in a safe location without being caught by the figure. Stay tuned for any more information on this developing situation.